And as you can see, that is gone. This is a before and after, so you can see what we just did. We're going to start on the low. We're going to flip this over, and we're going to take the bobbin thread. That's what you're going to use. So let the weight of the unit remove these stitches. I'm not pressing down, I'm just moving it side to side and letting the weight of the unit just remove those stitches. So you can see that all this bobbin stitches are now cut on that. So I'm going to flip it over, and then you're going to take this same blade, and you can just use it like a rake. And you can see that all those stitches are coming undone. The brush that came with the unit, and that's what that's for, is to clean that blade out. So get all those stitches out. We're going to trim up anything that's still in there. You can use the tweezers if you need to get any in that little piece. And then just to clean up all the lint and everything from your design, we have the Lint Busters lint roller. And just clean it up.